In India, plastic consumption is on the rise, growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 10%. By 2022, the production of virgin plastics is projected to reach 20 million metric tons, up from nearly 11 million metric tons in 2020. This rapid increase highlights the urgent need for proactive actions to mitigate its environmental impact. HDFC Bank and the Centre for Environment Education (CEE) have partnered to tackle the growing plastic problem by adopting circular economy approaches, viewing dry and plastic waste as valuable resources rather than mere waste. As a centre of excellence, CEE promotes a sustainable future through innovative educational programs and strategic partnerships with local, state and national stakeholders, reinforcing the urgent actions needed to mitigate the environmental impact of rising plastic consumption. In alignment with its commitment to sustainability, the Centre for Environment Education (CEE) aims to integrate education as a key driver for change, fostering an understanding of sustainable practices among youth, communities and policymakers. In Bihar, specifically in Samastipur, the Centre for Environment Education (CEE) is implementing the project Rural and Urban Landscape Free of Dry and Plastic Waste in partnership with HDFC Bank. This initiative involves collaboration with urban and rural local bodies, state pollution control boards, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MoEFCC), Safai Mitras, service providers, recyclers, as well as the Swachh Bharat Mission (SBM) and Swachh Sarvekshan initiatives to tackle the pressing issue of waste management. Central to the initiative is the Material Recovery Facility (MRF). This facility is not just about managing waste, it's about transforming it into valuable resources. At the MRF, dry and plastic waste is sorted, processed and recycled, showcasing a model for sustainable waste management. The MRF has been a game changer for the community. It has not only created jobs, but also raised awareness about sustainable practices, driving us towards a cleaner environment. It engages the community through workshops and training, educating them about the importance of waste segregation at source and encouraging participation in the recycling process. In Samastipur, our school programs like the Earthian Paryavaran Mitra program empower students to become champions of sustainability, instilling a culture of environmental responsibility from a young age. The training has changed the perspective of the people. They are now more aware of how to manage waste effectively. Let us together transform Samastipur into a model of sustainability and create a landscape free of dry and plastic waste, ensuring a healthier future for all.